The Supervisor Dashboard gives you a real-time view of your entire call center. If you've been designated as a supervisor, this tab appears in your navigation bar. It shows every queue, every agent, and live statistics, all updating automatically. Let's walk through the layout. The dashboard is organized into per queue sections. Each queue in your call center gets its own card with a header showing the queue name and number, a stats bar on the right, and an agent table below. At the bottom is an all agents section that gives you a cross-queue view of everyone. The stats bar in each queue header shows 8 metrics at a glance. Waiting is the number of callers on hold. Avail shows agents ready to take calls. Call shows agents currently on a queue call. Paused shows agents who've stepped away. Done and abandoned track completed and abandoned calls for the day. AVG hold and AVG talk show average hold time and talk time. Below the stats bar, each queue lists its agents in a table. You can see each agent's extension number, name, and current status, available on a queue call, paused with a reason, or logged out. The calls column shows how many calls that agent has taken today in this queue, and tier shows their priority level. The actions column lets you control agents remotely. You can pause an agent, unpause them, or log them out of all queues entirely. When you pause an agent, a drop-down lets you select a reason like break, lunch, or meeting. If your permissions include whisper and barge, those buttons appear when an agent is on a live call. Below the individual queue sections, the All Agents table gives you a global view. Every agent appears once, regardless of how many queues they belong to. The queues column lists each agent's queue memberships, so you can see at a glance who covers which queues. Status dots and action buttons work the same way here. Finally, the Wallboard button in the top right corner expands the dashboard to fill your entire screen, hiding the navigation bar. This is designed for displaying on a wall monitor so the whole team can see queue status at a glance. Click it again to exit Wallboard mode. That's your Supervisor Dashboard, a complete live overview of your call center.